everybody, this is Beth, and I've been working on a couple of layouts that I kind of call broken squares. You'll see what I mean in a minute. This is one of the kind of finished products with pictures here, here, and here. Could, of course, be more decorative and do that. There's a lot of things, okay, that you can do with this thing. I'm going to take it apart and show you how I got this far. All right. Here is the basic layout. 5 inches, 7 inches, 7 inches, 5 inches. Now here's another example of me using the 5 inch, 7 inch, 7 inch, 5 inch rule. Now, originally this piece of white paper with the decorations on it had this in the middle of it, this piece right here. I have it glued down, so you have to kind of imagine that that's one big square. Well, I did go ahead and find a picture of that piece of paper. It's right in the middle here. One big quilty type piece. I just thought it was too much. I didn't know what to do with it. So I took out the middle and cut off the outsides. And there's the middle. The middle is going to make up this spread. Kind of cool, huh? I like it. Took a problem and I kind of fixed it, gave it room for more pictures, and I spread it across 2 pages. Ta-da! Yeah, so now I want to show you a couple of other layouts you can do with these particular broken squares. This one kind of gets 3 pictures on the page, which is fine. I thought that perhaps I could get a couple more going across the middle like this with the, it's just some of the squares showing. There's a way to put them kind of like this and like this. Oops. There, kind of overlapping the ones on the outside. If you bring this in to here, it's easy enough to get a 4x4 square there. Oh yeah, and just for a little treat, I thought I'd show you the close-up of this. I used a bunch of my leftover paper and just made up tons of flowers from with my Cricut machine. So I just like it. Okay, now I'm going to go back to this layout, showing you, first of all, that this can be placed either way. This on the right, or on the left. This is a way you could get 4 squared pictures in there. These are 3x3s. I think you could go up to 3.5 by 3.5 and still fit in there. This color, by the way, is Bashful. And this is Outdoor Denim. And I forget what that is. Cashmere or one of those champagne things. All right, so that's just kind of a squared off way to do it. We have a couple of tags you can put here. I kind of like one down here. I think it would look really good with plain white mats. You don't need this bashful pink. White would be wonderful. If this was here, I would definitely put the tags down on this side. In fact, that's the way I did design it. So this is a 6-inch strip going across here, the navy blue color. A couple of zip strips across that way. And then a plaid paper across this way. I really like it. It's simple. And we can't forget this guy. He could go right there. Ooh. I enjoy this one. I do sell this as a kit. I made one for myself, and I have a couple of others that are going to be for sale in my Etsy store.